In the last class, we had discussed about standardized death rate and we had solved two problems under standardized death rate. Now, in this class, we will solve one more problem pertaining to standardized death rate. See, the question is compute CDR, that is crude death rate, and STDR, that is nothing but standardized death rate for town A and B by taking town A as standard population. Hence, find which town is more healthier. Now, information relating to age group is given, then town A population and deaths are given, as well as town B population and deaths are given here. Now, we have to calculate CDR for both the towns as well as STDR for both the towns. First of all, you should know that by calculating standardized death rate, you should have standard population. But here in this question, standard population is not given. But they have given that town A as standard population by taking town A as standard population. That means town A's population is considered as standard population. This population we are going to take it as standard population and we are going to compute STDR. So first of all, when we calculate STDR for town A, as town A population itself is taken as standard population, we are not required to calculate STDR. Here what happens is CDR of town A itself is considered as STDR of town A because it will be equal. Both population as well as standard population is same for town A. Therefore, STDR is equal to CDR of town A. That's why no need to calculate STDR. If we calculate CDR, that is enough. So we will start the solution. First of all, we have to write that here population of town A itself is taken as standard population. Therefore, there is no need to calculate STDR of town A. That in this case CDR of town A will be equal to STDR of town A. Therefore, first we will calculate CDR for town A. So town A, as you all know, CDR formula is death divided by population into 1000. So here only the information regarding deaths and population is required for the calculation of CDR. So first we will write age group, then we need population of town A and deaths of town A. So age group is below 5 to 30 and above 30. And population given are 35,000, next 40,000 and 16,000. Next, deaths are 1,000, 1,040, 240. 1,000, 1,040 and 240. First, we will calculate CDR for the population of town A. So, CDR formula is CDR is equal to D divided by P into 1,000. So, D is total of deaths and P is total of population. Total of deaths is 2,280 and total of population will be 1,96,000. Now substitute in the formula. Deaths is 2,280 divided by population is 1,96,000 into 1,000. Answer comes to 11.63. After this, we are also asked to calculate STDR. As you all know, STDR formula is summation PB divided by summation P. So first we have to calculate B. B is nothing but ASDR of town B. ASDR of town B is considered as B. So first we will calculate ASDR of town B. ASDR is nothing but deaths of specified age group divided by population of that age group into 1,000. That is 1,000 divided by 80,000 into 1,000. It comes to 12.5. Next, 1,040 divided by 1 lakh into 1,000. It is 10.4. 240 divided by 16,000 into 1,000. It is 15. Now, we have to write P. P is nothing but standard population. Standard population is denoted as capital letter P. So, which is standard population? Here specifically standard population is not given, but we have to consider town A population as standard population. So, this population will be considered as standard population. We have to write this population values under standard population. That is 35,000. Next it is 40,000 and then 20,000. Now we have to find out PB because we need PB for the calculation of STDR. 12.5 into 35,000, it comes to 4,37,500. Next 10.4 into 40,000, 4,16,000. 15 into 20,000, it is 3 lakh. Now I'll write the formula of STDR of town B. STDR of town B is equal to summation of PB divided by summation of P. So first we have to find the total of PB. This column we have to total it. It is 11,53,000. Then we need summation of P, that is standard population total. So we have to make this column total comes to 95,000. So now we can substitute the values in the formula and find the answer. Summation of PB. Summation of PB is 11,53,500. So 11,53,500 divided by summation of P is total of standard population. It is 95,000. When you divide it, it comes to 12.14. less than STDR of town B. Therefore, town A is healthier. So this is the conclusion. So when such kind of question is given where standardized death rate is not given, we have to read the question and understand which population is taken as standard population. As here it is clearly given, town A population we have to consider it as standard population. So this is all about standardized death rate. We have solved nearly 3 different problems under this standardized death rate. Now we will move on to the next measure of mortality, that is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate is also one of the measure of mortality where we are going to consider the deaths of infants. Infant mortality rate. In short, we can call it as IMR. So infant mortality rate. Infants are nothing but the babies who are aged less than 1 year. They are called as infant. So what is this infant mortality rate? Infant mortality rate is average number of deaths among infants per 1000 live births in a year. So infant mortality rate is average number of deaths among infants per 1000 live births in a year. So infants are babies who are aged less than 1 year. So how to calculate this? Infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate is equal to number of deaths among infants in a year divided by total number of births in the same year into 1000. This is the formula to calculate infant mortality rate. So number of deaths among infants in a year divided by total number of live births in the same year into 1000. So now we will solve one problem under infant mortality rate. So the question is, in a town, in a year, 62,418 live births occurred. Of this, 3,207 infants died in the same year. Compute infant mortality rate. So this is the question and we are asked to calculate infant mortality rate. In the question the information given are, in a town in a year 62,418 live births occurred. So live births in a town was 62,418 and of these live births 3,207 infants Total number of live births. Live births is 62,480. 480 into 1000. So when you substitute it, the value comes to 51.38. So this is how we are going to calculate infant mortality rate. And the next measure of mortality is neonatal mortality rate. This in short we can write it as NMR, neonatal mortality rate. So what is this neonatal mortality rate? Neonatal mortality rate is similar to infant mortality rate, but here infants means babies who are aged less than 1. But here who are neonatal babies? Neonatal babies are those babies who are aged less than 28 years, 28 days. Neonatal babies are those babies who are aged less than 28 days. So here we are going to consider only those babies who are aged less than 28 days. So the formula is neonatal mortality rate is equal to number of deaths among neonatal babies in a year divided by total number of live births in the year into 1000. Into 1000. So here we are going to consider only neonatal babies. Those who have died before reaching 28 days, they are considered among total live births. So number of deaths among neonatal babies in a year divided by total number of live births in the same year into 1000. And the last measure of mortality is maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate in short we can write it as MMR. So maternal mortality rate is nothing but average number of deaths among mothers. Average number of deaths among mothers due to cause relating to childbirth per 1000 live births in a year. So average number of deaths among mothers due to cause relating to childbirth per 1000 live births in a year. So here what we are going to consider is when a woman gives birth to a baby, sometimes there will be a death occurring to women due to childbirth. So problems relating to life table. That is the last topic of your chapter, writer's